welcome all of you to this particular video. This particular video, you're going to learn about social media management or social media marketing or the social media marketing strategies. Now you have a social account on different platforms. You have a Facebook profile or a page. You have created certain groups. You have a WhatsApp group. You have a Telegram group. So you are managing. You are spread at multiple places where you are sharing your content, because it's very important for you to understand that one piece of content, whatever you create on YouTube or on a blog, wherever you create, you need to create small snippets and keep engaging with your audiences on all different platforms. See, the people who are basically on Twitter like to see the content in a very specific form, and you need to definitely reach out to them on Twitter only. You cannot tell them that come directly to my blog and subscribe and do that. It's up to them. They come to your blog and read that. That's up to them. But if they are on Twitter, you really need to post your content on Twitter. Similarly, if somebody is comfortable on Facebook, you need to post your content on Facebook. Similarly for Insta, similarly for any other social media platform. Now at times it becomes very overwhelming to really manage different social media accounts. Now you create a blog content and now you want to spread this message. You created a YouTube video. You have something to share with the world. Now how to really make this happen in the quickest and easiest possible time? Because the problem with most of the content creators is they create content, it takes time, then how to market them is something which they don't know. They don't know how exactly they need to schedule, at what time the message should go, and so many things. So presenting something which can really help you is on your screen right now. That's called Postoplan. Now you will find the link to join everything below this particular video. Postoplan has got an amazing free plan as well as a paid plan. I'll talk about plans and everything. I'll talk about the features. I'll give you the differences between what's free and what's not free and all that stuff. But I would highly recommend you that if you are a social media person, if you are a content creator, if you really want to attract audience as an influencer, as a blogger, as a YouTuber, you really need to check out this particular video in full. Start this service today and really make your life simple and easier. I'm based in India. I have my audience in different parts of the world. I have audience in US, I have audience in UK. So what if I want to attract my USA audience? I would like to post as per the time they read the content, not as per my time. And I really can't work 24/7 to make it happen that okay fine, at this particular time I want to post on social media. No, everything will be automated by using a simple tool called Postoplan. So let's get started. Let me give you the important features about this and how you can get access to this particular tool and everything I'm going to talk about in this particular video. So let's focus on the screen now. Simple social media management platform. Yes, it's too simple. It's really simple. You can see Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Twitter accounts, your WhatsApp group, very important. Your this Google My Business account, your Telegram groups, Telegram channels, LinkedIn, company profile, personal profile, whatever you manage, all the Slack channels, everything is getting managed by one single app, which is right now on your screen. So let me just run through this particular site, give you the features and give you the exact way it is functioning. So grow your audience, of course, on autopilot. We'll talk about the plans later on. If you use this particular tool, of course, 76% people reduce their social media time by more than 4 hours a week. So you'll be saving 4 hours per week. I save, you will also save. 15% increase the number of clients. 55% reported increased reach to both post and the audience. How? I'll talk about that how actually, because it's not just about posting, it's about right posting at the right time. So you can add unlimited number of accounts, users, projects, post. You have a photo editor. We'll talk about that feature. Integration with Slack and WordPress. Yes, 700 post ideas available to you right now. Your entire content plan is available to you. It's not just standard social media platform. Of course, they're covering Telegram and WhatsApp also, very important. You have a social inbox also, so every communication, whatever is happening on social media on your post, you're getting on one single social inbox. Post preview, convenient scheduling, and great features. So let me just open the inside of my particular access of this particular tool. So today is Saturday when I'm recording this particular video, 2/10/21, published time 7:10. So 7:10, this particular post will run on Twitter. Same post will run on Facebook. Of course, the character length, the number of characters are more on Facebook, so definitely I created a different post for Facebook, different post for Twitter. You can have one or whatever. So let's talk about how this tool is exactly functioning and what kind of access you should be taking on, and how to really get the maximum value from this particular tool. So first talk about the content scheduling part of it. So let's go to this particular part called schedule a post. When you click here, it's going to give you a box. This is a box similar to any social media platform you see, where you need to write, you just write. Or if you have the bulk content ready, you can import the CSV file also. How to do it? On the CSV import, there's a instruction which is given to you. You can just pick it up. So you start writing on, hey, my new blog on social media is ready, have a look, and whatever. It's like, just I'm giving an example. Have a look, visit my site. Let me just give my site name, and boom, fine. You can add your hashtags. If you are pro, you can add more hashtags. If you are on free plan, you will be able to add only 5 hashtags. So these are my accounts which are right now connected. Let me just open up how it will look like on Twitter. It will look like Twitter like this. It's going to come like this on Twitter. If I don't want to see how it looks like on Twitter, let me go on Facebook. Okay, so this is how exactly it's going to look like on the respective social media. Your ID will come, and the time will come, and your content will come. So your posting of content will happen here. You can connect wherever accounts you want to connect. You want to add accounts, go here. You can easily connect your accounts. So on the free plan, Facebook pages, groups, Telegram, Google, WordPress, Slack, and Twitter can be connected. On the pro plan, which is the first paid level plan, you can add LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp, and any kind of LinkedIn companies you manage. So that's how you connect your account. You simply click here. It will be taking you to your respective profile page. The accounts will get connected, and this tool will start, posting on your behalf the whatever posts and everything. So when you go to the schedule a post section, I did that but deleted. So let's type it again. Going to my YouTube basically. Okay, and let me click 1 or maybe 2 accounts. Okay, let me take like this. So on Facebook it look like this, and on Twitter it's going to look like this. I'll go to forward. It's going to tell me that what are the apt timing for this kind of a post. These are 3 timing which are suggested for 3rd of October. If I want to post it on 6th of October, it's giving the same time. Let me do it for today then. The moment I do it for today, my timings are different. It's 7:10. 7:10, that's how I posted also my content. So all in all, you will get a preferred, you'll get a choice. You'll give it the best timings. That these are best timings to post your content. You can pick up that time. You can just click here. It'll auto get selected. If you will change a date like 4th, like 2 days from now, it's going to give you a different time. So on 4th, the recommended time is 6:10 or 11:05 or 20:15. Then select a category of the message. You can just select a category out here, or if you want to post it instantly, just press instant publishing. You want to repeat this post, you have an option to repeat this post. You want to repeat this post basically on a free plan you will get to repeat only one time. On a pro plan you will be repeating n number of times, and I really love this feature. Something I posted today has gone through my audiences well. Some of them might not have read, so I would like to repeat the same message after 3 days of time. So I'll go here, I'll repeat one time. These days I'll just put up I'll put up my command that when I want to repeat my message, and my message will get published on the same day. So I don't have to worry for when again I have to post and how the things has to happen. Everything is going to happen on autopilot. Once I set the things here, I can shut down my PC, I can shut down my laptop, I can shut down my phone, I can go to sleep. My post will happen automatically on the respective social media platform. That was the scheduling part of it. Let's come to the other features, other very cool features about this particular tool. I really love this tool. You go to the photo editor part. Photo editor is where you put up your image and you want to make any kind of edit. It's right on beta, it's working. You can just upload the photo and add content, add text or something like that. Image generator is a feature where you pick up the images already available within this particular app. Suppose this is animal world, this is you can enter here main text, you can enter additional text, the image is ready. You can simply publish, choose the platform where you want to publish. You want to publish on Facebook, Twitter. It's going to auto resize the image. Suppose you want to you want to put a photo of image of a dog. So you want to pick up a dogs category. So this is a dogs category image. Suppose I like this image. So this image is going to get loaded to my main console. I want to post it on LinkedIn. I want to post it on Insta. I want to give an Insta story. I want to post it on Facebook. Wherever I want to publish, it's going to auto resize my image, and I'm going to, love this. And whatever content I want to create, it's going to help me in generating my perfect image. I can change my font text, font color, additional things. Everything is available inside this library. Once you start doing it, it's so easy and you will really love it. Photo editor, image generator, scheduling post has been done. Now comes to content plan. Very important part, that what kind of content I should be posting daily on our social media. So let's come to the content plan of it. So if I close this, it will only show whatever I have uploaded here. If I open this, it's going to show me a lot many things. 4th of October on Monday, the Animal Protection Day is there, so we can post about animal protection. Beverly Hills World Teachers Day, first episode, birthday of Instagram, and you're going to get so many features. Let me just toggle the screen a bit here. Yeah, the layout has been changed, so you can see this. Monday post ideas are here, Tuesday post ideas are here. You can see these things. The post ideas are available. You have all the things, dates are available, your post ideas are available, so many things are available. It's a content plan is already ready for you. You just put up more and you're going to get more and more things, more and more as the day is approaching. You're going to get so many features about what is special today, what should be the thing, what you should be posting, and all that stuff. You're going to get a lot of good things out here. CSV import, like you can import your messages, whatever you're posting in advance, you can do it. Accounts is where your all accounts will be shown, that how many accounts you have connected, so you can just add up accounts and see. Roles and project, whatever roles you have selected for yourself, and project means any kind of new posting, everything you're giving as a project here, because there's something agencies can also use this. Social inbox, where all the social thing is going to happen. Statistics is how you how your posts are getting ranked on social media, so you'll be able to see the analytics part of it. In settings and the history. So I think this is the most simplest of the simple thing what I have seen as far as the social media scheduling is concerned. You go to this particular thing, you will be able to see a lot of feedback is already available. These are the companies who are using this particular service. And now I'm going to before I wind up this particular video, now I'll tell you which plan you should be selecting in. So if I go to the 3 plans available, one for agency, one for all individuals. Okay, so as an individual you have a choice to take between free and a pro plan. I would highly recommend you to take the pro plan. First you can start with free and then you can upgrade to the pro plan. Number of accounts which can be connected are unlimited in both. When I'm saying unlimited, that means your profiles are unlimited, but you cannot connect Insta and WhatsApp on a free plan. That has to be on a pro plan. But you can connect n number of Facebook accounts, n number of Twitter accounts, and n number of whatever accounts you hold as far as the platform is concerned. Post, users, services, you can see these differences are here. Insta 10 accounts, WhatsApp 10 accounts. Add multiple names to one post, no. Social inbox will remain for 7 days. This for unlimited. Schedule ahead period is 7 days. On a free plan you can schedule the content 7 days ahead of today. On these 2 other plans you can like schedule for unlimited days, unlimited time. And these are the options, of course: 30-day plan, 90-day plan, 365 days of plan. So you decide whatever ways you want to start. You want to run this pro plan for 30 days, you just pay 19 USD. Run this plan, you want to run for 90 days, you want to run for 365 days, and this is for agency and everything. You can go for pro on a 7-day trial period. Also you can go for agency plan on a 7-day trial period as well. So if you don't want to go to free but you really want to explore all the pro features before you go for 30-day or 90 days pro, go for a 7 days trial. You can just click here on show detailed information. You will get access to every single aspect of this particular plan and the features. So I hope that you have gained something new, some new knowledge about a tool. And I really want, if social media is something which excites you, if social media is something where you get the free traffic from, if social media is something where you engage with your audiences, and you have accounts with multiple social media channels, then this particular app is going to work wonders for you. How to get started? Very simple. You will find the link in the description below. You can just click the link. You'll be given a choice to opt for a trial, 7-day free trial of pro, or directly go for the free plan. You choose whatever way you want to run. You want to start your work on social media, and then you just need to connect your accounts, schedule post, put your links, put your blog links, YouTube link, or whatever product you are promoting or something like that. Whatever is allowed for you to do on a Facebook or a Twitter platform is something which this particular app is going to do for you on your behalf. It works while you sleep. I have something ready with me at 10 PM in the night. I want that to go to my audiences next morning 7 AM. I'm not going to wake up, open my all social channels, start posting one by one. No, I'll just set command here, and this particular tool is going to do everything for me. So I hope you like this particular video. In case you got value from this particular video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to this particular channel, start using this tool. If anybody is looking for some kind of help into this social media management, share this video with them, let them understand this particular tool, let them also get the benefit of something available right now with the technology. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next video.